you are all well. I am having a fun shopping day with a friend Lily today, so I thought I'd bring you along with me. We're just gonna go into a couple of shops and see if we fancy anything from there. Yeah, I'll take you along with me. It's just gonna be a fun little vlog in London. Hope you enjoy. Say hello. Okay, let's go. Outfit, like, this is definitely one of my favorites. I really like these trousers, and I was like, let me try a lighter trouser, but I'm not sure if I like the cut on this top, to be honest. It's a bit risque, but I'll definitely be keeping the trousers. What do we think about this top? Super cute, I like it. It's got like that, it's got like this cute detailing on the side here. You can have it as high as you want, or you can just have it like loose. I really like it. I like the colour as well. It's like a yellow. I really like the trousers. I'll probably pair it with another top, because this one I feel like isn't tight. It's got a bit of give, so I need to find one with a different material. But I really like the trousers. I thought I'd just show you, this is my fit for today's shopping. Headband is Primark, top is H&M, jeans are Pretty Little Thing, boots are H&M, and I've got this little cute bag, and this is Primark, and I've got this scarf with it, which is also Primark. But yeah, I'm gonna carry on to the next shop. Here's the bag.
You got a cute bag. I got this.
That sun though, feels amazing. We're now at Joe and the Juice, and I got a gluten-free sandwich. And what drink did I get again? I'm with Lily. I can't remember what I got, but it looks like a yellowy kind of colour. This is my first time trying Joe and the Juice, so it'll be interesting to see what it's like. Let's see, taste test. It's very... It's not as fresh as I thought it was going to be. I don't know, how's yours taste? It's a bit watery, isn't it? You're a joker.
Seriously, I thought it was going to be more pineapple-y.
Oh no. Yeah, mine's very thin. Like, it's like, as you can see, I don't know if I was expecting it to be a bit more of a thicker consistency, but it is what it is. You got
a juice.
I know, but I don't know. I thought it was gonna be like cold and like, do you know what I mean? But yeah. Right, let's see what this sandwich is saying still. Oh, the sun's gone, mate. Did you get a picture?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Just for the sun, yeah. I'm gonna put it on Instagram.
Yeah, but yours, what does yours taste more like? Grass.
I mean, right now it's not too bad.
Really?
Really? Maybe because it's not mixed properly.
Maybe. Let's see the gluten-free sandwich. Is it more of a wrap? Is it?
I think so.
Where does it say it's gluten-free though? I'm a bit scared.
They did say it, though,
Did
right?
they? He did say it,
He
yeah.
did. I don't think he would have like.
What in the world?
Wow. Is that still on?
Or maybe it's like this.
Wow.
Wait, I was not expecting it to be like this.
How were you expecting it?
Like a normal bread sandwich, but it's better.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. It's like a toasty, isn't it?
I was so close to it. It's window I couldn't manage to get the same.
No.
I just like
10 out of 10.
I might get a second one.
Huh?
I might get a second one. Mate, my sandwiches at home don't taste like this.
But you don't make them like that. You don't even make sandwiches at home.
Don't taste like this. My gluten-free bread don't taste like this. Wow.
If Muna is sick tomorrow, we all know why. You're gonna be telling me, Lily, I feel so sick. Can't stop throwing up.
It's really good. I'd recommend it, guys. Guys, so I am back home now and I thought I'd show you some of the stuff that I got. So obviously you would have seen what I got in Zara, so I explained that in the changing room. I hope the audio is okay. I was a bit whispering. So you know what I got from Zara, so I got those items. And I also went into Primark and I've got loads of bits from there, clothing, accessories especially. I got loads of jewelry and stuff like that, so I'll have that I think in a separate try on haul kind of video, because I did get a lot of items, and if I showed that now the video would be endless. So I'll just show you some of the little bits that I got today. I went into Accessorize, got a couple of rings, and I also went into the Body Shop as well and got some of my favorites. Actually, do you know what, with this jewelry kind of from Accessorize, I had in mind the nails that I got from Primark. Shall I show you that now? Let me just show you the nails. I'll show you the nails only and then leave the rest for the try on video. So make sure you keep an eye out for the Primark haul video. But let me just get the nails, one sec. Might have misplaced them because I can't find one of them. I got these pastel ones as well. I don't know if I was looking at it and I put it somewhere else, but I definitely include that later on if I do find it, for God's sake. But I got these yellowy ones which are really cool. These are quite vibrant, and I got this like coral color, like bright coral color. So these are quite fun. The other one was also in this shape, but it was like a nude color, and it had like pastel colors on it, like circles of pastel colors. So it's very like trendy. So I need to go find that and see where I've put that. But I had that in mind, those nails. And oh my god, these rings, guys. These accessories from Accessorize, okay, weren't cheap. I'm not gonna lie about that. I did go all out because of the fact that my fingers are quite thin. So it's very hard for me to find rings that actually fit me and don't fall off. So when I found some at Accessorize, I was like, I have to take all of them, basically. Like, oh my god, I have found the rings that fit me, right? I have to take advantage of this. I have to take advantage of this. So I got a couple of things. So the first thing that I got is this gorgeous necklace, and it's basically shells. It's gold. It's a choker as well, so that's really, really nice. And it just sits really nicely. So I got that one, cute. And then the rest are all rings. So I picked up this one. So this is an extra small, by the way. All the rings are in an extra small. So this one is just quite dainty and cute. One of them is quite blingy and the other one is gold. So that's really, really cute. Look how tiny they are. They're actually tiny. And then the next one is more of like a statement piece. So I thought like I could stack them if I wanted to. So this one actually kind of looks like an engagement ring, to be fair. Yeah, it's really, really pretty. So that's one of the bigger ones. And then I got this cute one which kind of like crosses over. So this is one ring, but it looks like it's like two rings or so. It's quite hard to stand them up like that, but do you know what? I might be better that I wear them. So this is the crisscross one that I was talking about. It's got one that's silver, and then one that's diamante, and then the other one's gold. So that's really, really nice and dainty and just like really simple, but eye-catching at the same time, which I love. And then the final one that I got is just like a thick, well, thicker than the others anyway, a gold band. So it looks like that. So I'll just go ahead and put them on just so that you can see how they would look. I'll just put them on one hand, but I wouldn't wear this as one hand, just to show you guys. I absolutely love them. Like, I think they all look nice, and yeah, I'm super excited to wear them and get my nails on and everything. Yeah, I just want to glam up my hands a little bit more. Like, I think that's gonna be my quarantine resolution coming out of quarantine, not to be basic with jewelry anymore, because I want to be that bitch that has like her nails done, jeweled out, you know. I'm manifesting that for myself. And then I went into the Body Shop as well, and I got some of my favorite things. So I've tried this scrub before. It's the Body Shop Mango Exfoliating Sugar Body Scrub. Oh my god. Oh, I'm not joking, guys. Oh, this smells like heaven. This smells like sweets. It's so sweet. If you don't like sweet scents, I definitely would not recommend this for you. But it smells amazing. I definitely recommend going to the store and actually experiencing this scent, because wow, it's amazing. And it's really thick and nice. I love using this. I love it, and this is now my second tub. I finished the other one already. I love the scent so much that I was like, do you know what? I saw this one as well, and it's the shower gel. So I'm gonna try using this one. I haven't tried this one yet, but I'm sure it still smells amazing. I think it should have the same scent, to be fair. Ooh, see, this one smells nice, but it's got a hint of orange or something in it. I don't know, it just smells a bit more fruity, this one, whereas the scrub smells like sweets, basically. But I'll try it out and see, but I'm excited, yeah. And the final gem that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is this right here, Sanctuary Spa 2-day long-lasting moisture shower oil. When I tell you, I have been seeing this online everywhere. I saw Melissa's Wardrobe on Instagram recommending this because she uses this range, Sanctuary Spa. I think it's a scrub and then the oil as well, and the body butter or something, and she swears by it. Guys, honestly, if you don't follow Melissa's Wardrobe for like luxury, amazing finds that she shares on her Instagram page, like honestly, her stories, life-saving. I'm gonna go and get these IKEA candles that she recommends as well, like smell amazing apparently. So like when she recommends things, it goes so quickly. So I definitely suggest that you follow her. Her user is Melissa's Wardrobe. She's amazing at helping you find things that you didn't even know that you needed. Honestly, like I really want to try this out. People say it's so hydrating, really moisturizing, and it says here actually, this rich nourishing combination of gold of pleasure oil and blend of omegas 3, 6 and 9 leaves your skin feeling cleansed, super soft and moisturized for up to 2 days after just one use. I'm excited to try that out. Like, I want to test it out and see if it's true and they stick to their word. I will show you guys what I got from Primark in a different video. I think I'll end it here, guys. I hope you have a lovely day, and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.